My household had the saddest Christmas culture one can imagine because each Christmas Eve my mother would get me all excited and say tonight Santa will come and convey you lots of toys, this time for actual. However, when I woke up the next morning and ran to our Christmas tree, I by no means found any gifts. Then Mom would come into the room and say, "Oh no, did burglars smash into our house again and steal all your gifts? I'm so sorry." This repeated itself each year, and every time it made me cry. The world regarded so unfair to me solely. Once I got older, I sooner or later realized that my mom was once too negative to manage to pay for Christmas affords. She had made up all those memories of us getting robbed on Christmas Eve, so I didn't discern out we had been bad but of rude. I already knew that we were impoverished. I was dwelling in a ghetto, and my ghetto college was once so violent that teachers frequently obtained beat up by students, and kids like me who wore frayed footwear have been made exciting of all day. But then I acquired fortunate the excellent college in our city, which normally had an every year tuition rate of 100,000 greenbacks, began a software to help underprivileged youngsters like me. I was once in some way every day into the software, and I had received the lottery for some purpose. I consider that I could befriend the youngsters of effective politicians and billionaires in my new faculty, and in return, they may want to impenetrable me exact job after I graduated. But I was incorrect, because these humans do not want to be pals with you if you are now not like them these days. I wish I had never conventional the pride of going to this elite faculty due to the fact, while being terrible is hard already being poor while also being surrounded by a bunch of conceited prosperous youngsters who maintain reminding you how tons better their life is than yours is even worse. Proper on my first day I learned that the college was once keeping apart their students into two agencies. First, the wealthy and high-accomplishing kids who had inherited the appropriate genes of their noticeably successful dad and mom and now were groomed to take over their household agencies one day. Second, you had the typical rich kids who had been irresponsible, arrogant, and drove to faculty in highly priced cars. Each crew used to be taught in exceptional schoolrooms, and while I tried to join the excessive attaining children, the teachers made me take an IQ test first to see how proficient I was, and apparently I didn't make the reduce. It is why I used to be put into the instructions for lazy and low IQ college students of root. I tried to make new buddies anyway, and some female have been speaking about horses, so I said, "Why you ladies do horse riding?" The female seemed uncomfortable speaking to me, possibly due to the fact I looked like a ghetto lady, but they have been form ample to invite me to go horse driving with them on the weekend. Solely when I arrived, they requested where my horse used to be. "I do not have a horse." "Well, you have sold one." I wasn't certain if she was once kidding or not, but I told them I simply wait till they were completed. While watching them, I began chatting with a man who turned out to be a private assistant to the family of, and the female that had counseled I ought to simply purchase a horse. He used to be the caretaker of her horse, and he advised me a bit about Anne's wealthy lifestyles. He said her dad had thrown her a sweet 16th birthday celebration with a fireworks so big that the fire department had to be on standby, and when Anne's dad determined out the firemen didn't charge any cash for displaying up, he gifted them gear worth $80,000, which included numerous warmness sensing goggles costing 10,000 greenbacks every. It suddenly hit me how unique my classmates' lives were from mine. My mom has never made extra than minimal wage at her job, and most instances she was once unemployed anyway due to her depression. We had been so poor that I regularly stole restroom paper from my college due to the fact we did not have any at domestic anyway. After the horse using used to be over, the girls and I sat down at a restaurant. I truly desired them to like me, so when they requested what my favorite S of A to go to was, once I answered France, even although I would in no way left the S genuinely me too. Last summertime my dad and mom and I spent 2 weeks in the French Riviera. It is so much better than Italy. I endured, yeah, and the food is so top 2. Idea matters had been going nicely, but then and stated, "We have to discuss about your outfit, it's hideous, you must come go buying with us." Wow, she used to be inviting me to meet up once more. Possibly she appreciated me, however, it was hopeless. I didn't have the money for a new outfit, so I lied again, pronouncing the way I dress was simply my style, and I would not exchange it, and did not like that I had rejected her offer, so she stated, "I bet you can't teach a pig how to fly," and they both giggled. I felt so embarrassed, but it got worse in college when I greeted and in the hallway she took me to the aspect and said, "Listen, I tried to consist of you in our group due to the fact my teacher requested me to, however, you don't healthy and you dress like a hobo. And surely I desire nothing to do with you." Ouch, she did not understand that I would have cherished to put on fancy garments like her, but that I lacked the money to do so. After this incident, I stopped attempting to make new buddies. I became the quiet lady who did not talk to everybody at some stage. In breaks, all I could do used to be listen in on my classmates gossiping. It is when I heard my classmate Matthew brag about his alleged relationship with our records instructor, leave out Colbert. He stated, "My dad is giving me an allowance 10 times bigger then Mrs. Colbert's earnings. She's relationship me due to the fact I ruined her with tons of presents. I even paid off her university debt." No one believed Matthew till he confirmed round pics of him and leave out Colbert kissing. I didn't see the photos myself, solely the reaction of the other youngsters reacting to it, but in retrospect, it wasn't stunning at all. Matthew acquired terrible grades in all topics except in Mrs. Colbert's history class. Anyway, my instructors noticed that I didn't have any buddies, so they often asked me why I wasn't trying more to suit in. I replied, healthy into what, using $100,000 cars to college? No sorry, I truly tried to do that, but my mother and father are nonetheless negative. Alternatively, I additionally saved different kids at a distance so they couldn't see that I was once clearly simply an uneducated lady from the ghetto. So, whilst I had always been a lively and sociable kid, at my ancient ghetto faculty, I had now emerged as severely depressed. It took me some time to figure out why, however then it clicked. The motive was that I wasn't dwelling in actual lifestyles anymore. I had adopted the persona of a harmless lady, even though I was once from the ghetto and had been through a lot of various instances in my lifestyles. I'd been jumped via crackheads who desired to steal my meals, stamps and clothes. I have lived via winters barring heating in my domestic, and I've considered the junkies near my residence slowly switch away from drugs like crack and heroin. I began the usage of fentanyl. Rather, I received mad at myself for letting those spoiled brats at my faculty intimidate me so plenty. I knew I was more challenging than all of them, so I swore myself to in no way be the quiet lady again. The next day in faculty, our trainer requested if any individual desired to practice to grow to be college president. No one raised their hand barring me. Then they all grew to become round and asked, "What do you promise to change in our faculty if you grow to be president?" However, with everyone's interest on me, I used to be too anxious to supply a response. Nothing she will change, nothing that is distinctive. She got my vote. I thought she used to be ridiculing me. However, the different youngsters joined and chanted, "Make her president." Sooner or later I let unfastened and began laughing too. Maybe my classmates weren't that imply after all. Properly bet who the only other candidate to become president used to be Matthew, the man who was once dating my records instructor and paying off her college debt. He was more popular than me and the preferred candidate. However, I advised you that I am from the ghetto and you hired, don't mess with me. He frequently left his telephone laying on his table, so I simply stole it, and to determine out his PIN code, I requested get admission to the school's safety digital camera footage. I instructed them that anybody had harassed my faculty bag with theirs and accidentally walked away with it, and now I desired to discover out who had taken it. However, genuinely, I simply zoomed in on Matthew while he unlocked his telephone in the cafeteria. 1379 effortless. Then I went through his pics until I determined the one to place. He was once kissing Miss Colbert. Path teacher-student relationships are strictly prohibited, so I told him, either you step back from your candidacy to emerge as college president or omit Colbert gets fired, and you will be in the information for the usage of your dad's money to prostitute your own instructor. I marvel how your dad will feel about analyzing that news. He withdrew his candidacy immediately, and with only one contestant left, I mechanically received the presidency. The trainer informed me being school president will appear notable on my resume when I should practice to my first job one day. However, definitely, I am simply happy to be a badass ghetto lady again. In my acceptance speech, I even roasted and I told everybody how she'd anticipated me to just buy a horse so I could go horse riding with her. I made some other jokes about how disconnected my classmates have been from everyday people like me, and even though the other kids do recognize me now, I would still pick to be lower back in my historic ghetto college. I omit my ancient pals over there. Please like and subscribe to our channel and get updates every time we post.